Okay everybody, so this is the final finished product. You can see over here, we did the landscaping with this California gold rock, but notice how beautiful the rock looks when it gets splashed with water. So these are 3 of the quintets, and you can see the program I have it on. It's changing different water levels for the different pumps. What happens is there's actually a total of 5 different pumps in each of these units. There's 3 units, so it's a total of 15 miniature fountains. It's almost like the Bellagio in Las Vegas. And it's a really cool thing. Now I'm going to change the setting here for all 3, so go ahead and watch. All of a sudden, bam, there they go. They're not really splashing a lot of water. So here we go. And then we have them shutting down. Here we go.